Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0.20 on Ubuntu 26.04. But the installation process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 132 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we'll unzip this file and we'll install Tor Browser. Download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, CD downloads, LS. Now unzip this file tar-xf. Then tar, press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. LS. Now go to this Tor Browser folder. LS. Now execute this .desktop file. Don't run this with sudo or root icon. Just give ./start. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter file name. Hit enter. See, now got the Tor Browser. Now verify the version. See, we have installed 15.0.20. Now connect to Tor. If you want to connect manually, every time you have to click on connect. If you want to always connect automatically, you have to turn on this one and click on connect. See, it is establishing connection. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser latest version 15.0.20 on Ubuntu 26.04. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.